Hello everybody, I am Dr. Robin Chakrabarty, Senior Consultant Cardiologist. Today I am going to talk on role of statin in atrial fibrillation. We all know that atrial fibrillation is enormously increasing worldwide. In 2021, there are 45 million people are suffering from atrial fibrillation, and there are a number of substrates for atrial fibrillation like hypertension, like ischemic heart disease, like cardiomyopathy, like valvular heart disease. Huge number of substrates may cause atrial fibrillation, and on the top of these cardiovascular conditions, there are comorbid conditions, for example chronic obstructive airway disease, for example diabetes mellitus, chronic kidney disease. They also add to such complications of atrial fibrillation. It is therefore important that how we can prevent atrial fibrillation, because atrial fibrillation can cause catastrophe in human life. It can cause disabling stroke, paralysis by thromboembolic complication. It can cause further dysfunction of the heart muscle like tachycardiomyopathy. Patient may get incessant palpitations, so the patient's quality of life goes down to the drain, which is very unfortunate. But today it is very important that before we identify atrial fibrillation, we should work on how we can prevent atrial fibrillation. Of course, when the atrial fibrillation is there are treatments available like beta blocker, like amiodarone. There are so many drugs. But before it happens, it is very important to prevent the onset of atrial fibrillation. It has been found that statin, particularly atorvastatin, has been found to be extremely effective in preventing atrial fibrillation, because atorvastatin, what it does, it has been shown that a little higher dose of atorvastatin, something beyond 20 milligram of atorvastatin, is extremely helpful to remodel the substrate, cardiovascular substrate in patients. For example, somebody having hypertension with hypertensive heart disease, somebody having hypertension with dyslipidemia may actually get atrial fibrillation. So statin, it reduces the dyslipidemia, it brings the cholesterol and LDL to a normal level, and on the top of that, because of its another mechanism, it causes remodeling of the cardiac musculature, preventing atrial fibrillation. There are plenty of data to suggest that statin in general could be very effective in preventive atrial fibrillation. So if you get a patient of hypertension with dyslipidemia, and in addition to patient has diabetes, please do consider statin therapy to prevent atrial fibrillation. Similarly, if you have a patient of ischemic heart disease with dyslipidemia and with hypertension, do consider statin. If you have a patient of ischemic heart disease who had angioplasty or bypass surgery with dyslipidemia and hypertension and diabetes, do consider statin. Statin not only prolongs the quality of life, prolongs the natural history of the disease process, it actually prevents atrial fibrillation by various mechanisms by which the patient can be prevented to have life-threatening complication. Patient can be prevented from having a disabling complication like stroke or cardiomyopathy. So statin is an important therapy not only for reduction of cholesterol and LDL, it is also an important therapy to prevent atrial fibrillation in patients with cardiovascular substrates. Thank you very much.